Hey guys, Joshua here. So today we will be reviewing the new winter updates. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first we have the 2023 BMW 4 Series. This one is a limited, so get it right away before it goes away forever. And also you can choose it in different colors and different rims. Next you have the 2025 Toyota Tacoma. This one is also a limited too, so make sure to get it before it goes away. And also you can choose it in different colors. Alright, so last but not least, we have the 2026 Kia Sportage. You can choose it in different colors and also different rims. You have the base model, the plug-in hybrid model, and the hybrid model. So that is the cars we have for today. And also let me show you a feature that Greenville added. See, you hear that? It plays the welcome chime every time you enter a Kia vehicle or a Hyundai vehicle. The Greenville devs have been cooking so far. I love the cool transitions. And also you have your winter map. Your buildings decorated for Christmas. Alright. And also the water has turned to ice. The rivers or lakes has turned to ice so that you can skate in them. Okay guys, so that is it for the video today. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like subscribe, and leave a comment. And also Merry Christmas to one of y'all. Bye. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.